Do you want to control the diabetes? Wants to lose weight? Suffering from constipation problem? Do you have dry cough and cold? Today I bought a refreshing drink with a simple and easy steps. Come, let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with herbal tea using guava leaves. These leaves contains many beneficial substances fully packed with vitamin C, iron. This tea you can drink when you have diarrhea problem. It gives a quick relief. The required ingredients are: take 250 ml of water, 4 to 5 guava leaves. Take a vessel, pour 250 ml of water, put 4 to 5 guava leaves. Allow the mixture to boil for about 2 minutes. Run it through a strainer. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning. So guys, do try this recipe and write your feedback in the comment section below. Let me know how this turned out. If you like to see healthier recipes, please give a thumbs up. I wish you a good health. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. This will boost us to do more and more health videos and we can reach more and more people.